पेपर में
Assalamualaikum dear students, and today we're going to solve one of the most typical question. Probably this question will help you out in solving what's in these sort of questions. So let's start by adding solution. First, I will write the question, that is 25 to the power x plus 5 to the power x is equals to 20. And now what I will do, I will just write 5 squares to power x plus 5x equals to 20. Now as you know that
according to me,
when we take powers multiply with power, so I can write m's to power n to power x, that can be equals to m's to power x to power n. So I'm writing 5 x square plus 5x equals to 20. Now that 5x equals to y, and now we have y square plus y equals to 20, and now y square plus y minus 20 equals to 0. Now we have 20, and that 20 we're going to take factorization with it, and now I'm taking 20 ones to 20 and taking LCM of this. Now we have 2 to 10 and 2 5 to 10, 5 on the 5, so we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. When we do factorization, what we need to do, we need to take 1 by doing minus function. So 5 minus 4 would be 1. This is going to be our factor of 20, and now I'm going to write y square plus 5y minus 4y minus 20. So here y is common in it. Now y plus 5 minus 4. Why 4 is common? Because 4 have here, and 20 also include 4, as you can know, 2 to the 4. So we can divide 20 with 4 tables. So 4 is common here, and now we have y minus minus plus 5. So y plus 5 is common in this function, and y minus 4 here is also. So now our equation, which is equals to 0, have two answers of y. One is y plus 5 equals to 0. Another one is y minus 4 equals to 0. So that will be y equals to minus 5 and y is equals to plus 4. And as we know that y is also equals to 5x. So 5 power x equals to minus 5, or 5 to power x equals to 4. So 5 to power x equals to minus 5, that can be happen. So we're going to reject this solution, and we're going to solve with 5 to power x equals to 4. So what I will do is 5 to power x equals to 2 to power 2, and taking log on both sides, and now we have log 5 to power x equals to log 2 to power 2. Let's move further. Now I'm going to solve with log function. Here when we apply log to someone, so power will come before. So we have x log 5 equals to 2 log 2, and now we can divide log 5 on both sides. So here I'm writing dividing log 5 on both sides. So here x log 5 divided by log 5 equals to 2 log 2 divided by log 5. So we're going to cancel log 5 with log 5. We're going to have x equals to 2 log 2 divided by log 5, and now x is equals to 2 multiply by log 2 value. So let's find out what is the value of log 2. So here I'm writing 2 log and that value is 0.3. And now let's take the value of log 5. So the value of log 5 is 0.6989. So I'm writing 0.699. That is 0.699. So we have 2 multiplied by 0.3. That will be 0.6 divided by 0.699. So x going to be equals to, let's find out, 0.6 divided by 0.699, that will be 0.858, 0.858, and that is our answer. So please subscribe, do subscribe, share your love and thoughts, write in comment. Thank you.